the money that's in here, we can refund after. So, talaga, akala ko lahat yun pasalubong for the people in the Philippines. And guys, so interesting. What? This is your style. Alright guys, so bumili ulit ako ng ganitong pants para sa mga office. Hi guys, we're back for another vlog and we are here in the Central World, and our agenda for today is just purely shopping. It's actually a rest day today, and we will just have a shopping exploring and we will just, you know, explore some malls here in Bangkok and just eat some food and buy some stuff. And for now, we're gonna go to the food court to eat our brunch first before we do our shopping. Let's go! That's Big C, so we will go there later. And we have here a lot of buildings here in Bangkok. So I didn't know that we're in the center of Bangkok pala, guys. Ang daming mga magagandang building dito. Very modern. So can you imagine mamayang gabi ang ganda nito, labo? Ang ganda niyan mamayang gabi, oh, pag umilaw. So we're gonna go to the food court first. We're gonna eat our brunch na. Okay, we're now here in the food court. Let's just explore and find some food. Alright guys, when you eat here, you have to get your cash card here. It depends how much you will load. But once you don't consume all the money that's in here, we can refund after. So we loaded 500 for this, and then I will just refund right after we eat. So let's just explore and find some food. Saan? We will have our late lunch here, guys, at Jerus Foreign Stewed Chicken. So I think 55 to 65 baht only. Add chicken feet, chicken drumstick 20 baht each. Wait, add chicken drumstick 20 baht each. Plain stewed chicken noodles 55. So guys, so only 55 baht for two na ulam dyan. Diba? Super mura na, diba? And they have egg, rice, and two viand. And plus 20 if you want chicken feet. One. Yeah. Spicy? Yeah. And then this one. Yeah. I want egg. Talaga? Akala ko lahat yun, hindi pala. So we will get our drink here in Chat Samue, our favorite milk tea in Thailand. Of course, we'll be getting another milk tea, 30% sugar only. So guys, not all pala are accepting the card. Some stores are also accepting cash. Eh since nakabili na tayo ng ng ating food using cash, let's just refund this and get our 500 back. So yun pala, tip, next time when you eat here, don't buy this yet. Tanungin niyo muna kung ma-accept ng cash. So papalitan natin. Refund. Thank you so much. Ay, actually nakalagay naman pala. These are the stores that accepts the card. These are the stores that accepts the card. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, marami option dito no kanilang mga card. Ay, ito. Di ba mango sticky rice? Ay, here. 120. Okay, thank you. Medyo mahal yung mango sticky rice dito, guys. Sa labas na lang tayo kumain ng mango sticky rice. So pag loob talaga ng mall, mahal ang mango sticky rice. Sa labas kasi makakabili ka ng 50 to 60 lang. Tapos ano siya, generous yung serving. Kaya sa labas na lang tayo kumain ng mango sticky rice natin. Ay sila na. Out ko na siya doon. Abangan ko na lang yung ating milk tea dito. Where's my milk tea? Not yet?
Can I borrow 5 pesos from
Ay, I don't have money. It's in Lana.
Can we return?
Okay guys, let's now eat. Let's first thing, parang hindi natin makahapon yung milk tea, no? So, our milk tea from Chachamur. Chachamur.
Hapon ba? Same din yung brand.
Yes, Chachamur. Oh, very nice. Okay, let's taste the food, the spicy food.
Without, without cigar.
Ito, di ko nilagyan. Wait lang, ako muna. Mm. Sarap. Tapos, mura. Mine is just, 75 baht with chicken and egg. Hindi ka nag-egg?
Yeah.
Wala na, 55. So guys, alam nyo ba, bibili dapat kami sa gentlewoman ng pasalubong. Kaso lang, nasira yung terminal ng credit card. Pasok ko tayo dito sa Naraya. Nasira daw yung, nila, I think wala pa ng signal for their, credit card terminal. Kaya babalikan na lang namin later. Ng mga 4 PM daw, pag ayos na yung internet nila. So, punta muna kami ng Big C ngayon para mamili ng mga pagkain doon. Pero nasa Naraya lang kami ngayon muna. So, let's go! Finally guys, bumalik kami sa Gentlewoman and ayos na yung terminal nila and we got this pasalubong.
Because of my boss.
Pakita mo yung sa'yo. Pasalubong for the people in the Philippines and for ourselves as well. For Lana pala kasi pang babae lang doon.
Manda ka. I'll be in
Platinum Mall.
Platinum Mall. And we will buy the whole
Mall. Okay, for now, we're now go to Big C in front of the Central World. So, we will buy food items and other pasalubong. Let's go! So, that's Big C, guys, just in front of Central World. So, we're looking for the footbridge to go there. Tatawid na tayo. Guys, nasa footbridge na kami going to Big C. Just wanna show you this. This is Central World and this is the footbridge and the Big C. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Big C to have some grocery shopping. So we'll buy some stuff, food. Balita ko mura daw dito yung mga mga lotion love, no? Mga lotion, shampoo. We'll try to buy it here para mas makamura tayo. Ito, hindi pa kami nag-grocery sa bahay eh. Yan, papasok na tayo ng Big C. Hopefully, pwede mag-video sa loob habang nag-grocery tayo. If not, siguro patago na lang tayo mag-video. Alright, so tara na! Okay, ice cream. Sige. Alright, we're now entering the Big C. Pero kaya kung pwede pag-iwanan? Ginto ba yan? Ay, ito leather, oh. Ay, ito, parang ito yung nasa night market. Di ba, no? 100 din, no? Pareho lang. Passport holder, yes. Oo nga. What's that? 250. Parang pareho lang sa night market, no? Yeah. Is that the grocery? Ayaw na niyang iwan eh. Gusto mo bang iwan?
Ikaw siya pa ba susunod natin na pag bumibili tayo? 20 kilo ba yung atin?
Oh, kasya yan.
Sigurado kapag nag-grocery ako ng
Alam mo sa iyo, wala pang 10 kilos yun sa... Di ba grocery ng dilata?
Ano ba ang grocery dito?
Yung mga pagkapagkain, yung mga food na pasalubong, ganyan. Pero naman dilata. So we're now entering Big C. So let's see guys kung may mabibili tayo. Ayan, tingnan mo to. Peanut. How much is this? 40 baht only. Ikot muna tayo bago tayo magkuha. So, Philippine represent. Dried mango. Love, oh. Mixed fruits.
Hindi mo alam yung lasa.
O kaya nga. Kaya nga. Lahat dito dami naman lasa. I'll buy one. Let's buy this. 60 baht. Siyempre, we'll buy those that is not found in the Philippines. Here's what we bought so far. Mga pasalubong. Mga pangdagdag. Guys, so interesting. Oh. Jelly. Yogurt jelly. Let's buy 2. You want? Let's buy 2. Then, let's see if we can buy that again when we come back here. So, another interesting buy. So, fish. Sweet fish for 65 baht. Let's buy. Ay, love ito, oh. Dried mango. 4. 179.
Yes, ko nga ito yung mix.
Guys, so this is nice for pasalubong. Mixed candy with mango, durian, coconut. Oh, tatlong mix na siya. Diba? So, okay na siya for 59 baht only. How many?
Dinan mo kasi na, di naman yung listahan. Where's your...
Sino magbibigyan mo? Okay, guys. So, this is the favorite of all. The sampalok, only 110 baht. They have spicy, also the same cost. At parang ano to? Champoy? Parang champoy, no? So, let's continue. Okay, this is our bill. 2,852.50 baht. So, this is what we bought earlier. Ito guys, yung mga pinamili namin, medyo marami-rami. Naka 2,000 plus baht kami ni Lana. So, balik muna tayo ng hotel para i-drop to. Tapos balik tayo, labas ulit tayo papuntang Platinum Mall. Okay? So, let's go! Alright guys, we're now here in the Platinum Mall. So, the first thing that we see is the inhaler.
Here's yung pinabibili pala.
150.
Do you have poison?
Yes.
Ah, is that poison as well? Ah, this one. How much is the poison?
100.
Oh, di ba? Mas
This
mura,
one.
100. 100 only, the poison. This one is this one tibigay nila Karen sa akin.
170, mas mahal pala yun.
This is 170. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's buy.
Hindi, ito bibili ko sa mga kapatid ko.
Okay, how many?
5.
Love ito, oh. Tiger Balm. This is a cream.
Yeah,
Cream
cream.
for the muscle pain.
Yeah, any joint pain, neck pain.
How much is this?
This one, wait, now I check for you.
Okay, check for me. How much?
90 baht.
90 baht?
Yeah.
Okay. They're very cheap. Do you accept credit card?
Cash only, sir.
Cash only?
Yes.
Why? Okay, let's buy. How many? How many will you buy? Wala ba? Yan lang ba?
I-stop na daw yung product na yun.
Sabi nila?
Sabi niya yung dalawa.
Ah, talaga?
Yes.
Bibili ako niyan. 90 baht only. This is the, right? Smell.
Yes.
How much is this?
This one piece 45.
40 baht?
45. 45.
Pag, this all?
Whole set is 500.
500? How
And
many?
this one is new and this one is 100% harvest.
Oh, this is more.
Good.
How much is this?
One piece 59.
59?
Yeah, two piece 100.
Oh, 50 each.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait a minute. Ito naman tayo, Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, we're now done with poison and all the ointment here. So, i-hold na lang natin siya later sa hotel. And then we'll now go inside Platinum Mall. Wala pa tayo sa Platinum Mall, ang dami natin nabili.
Wala lang kaming pelo. Di ba yung
Anong freebies?
plus point pesos na ko doon?
Sa ganito? Ay, pwede mo sinabi. So, let us now go inside. Ay ito, 1.5. Pareho din sa loob. Buy 5, get 1 free.
How much?
100. Yan, 100. 100.
May fruit dry yan, di ba? Yan dito.
Yan nga din yun. How much? Oh, 100. Sabi sa'yo. 100 only for each.
Bili ako.
Ay, mango. How much is a mango sticky rice? 100. Same all.
You keep me walking.
100. I'll try. Let's try. Try it. Mm. Hindi masyado matamis. Thank you. Let us now go inside. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Ikot-ikot. So ikot-ikot muna tayo guys. Pakita ko sa inyo pag may interesting kaming nakita. Oo. Wag lang yung damit siguro. This floor is dedicated for women's clothing. So Lana and Charity will buy something for them. Ayan lang ba, gusto mo tanongin kung magkano? How much? 150? Oh, grabe, 55. 50 baht din yun, 150. 150 yun, tapos dito, ano lang, Love, look at the camera. What are you looking for specifically?
This one.
What? Ah, this one. This is your style. Oo, Balenciaga. Para pang babae. Oo. Okay guys, so dito kami ngayon sa 6th floor sa food court ng Platinum Mall. I-haul na lang natin later yung mga pinamili natin dito sa Platinum Mall. Nakatapos na din namin mag-snacks and merienda. And right now, nandito kami sa, ano ba to? Pharmacy. So, kanina bumili na kami ng mga balm, yung mga sisig hot, but nagdagdag kami dito. Parang mas mura din dito guys. Mas pareho yung presyo. Tapos aircon pa. Tapos may mga ano dito, yung mga plus pag bumili ka ng marami. Ayun, there's the elevator. So, we're now going back to the hotel para ilapag yung mga binili. Tapos, punta na kami ng, lalabas yata kami. So, let's go inside the elevator. We are now here outside the Platinum Mall and we're seeing a lot of food here. Pakita ko sa inyo. So there's a lot of street food here in Platinum Mall, just right outside. I'm not sure if this is more cheaper than the ones we ate upstairs in the 6th floor. I love, ayan na yung Coke mo. Your Coke. The Coke, oh. 60. You try it, you try it. You never know. You know, ice. Ooh. Yeah. Kasi marami ng yellow. Okay, let's walk further. Let's see some interesting food to eat here in this strip. Wow, what's that? Roti. So big. Roti. Wow, a lot of barbecue. I'm moving. Nuts. Hello, fruits.
How much is this? 80. 80?
Sigurado ka dito kami bili.
Saan ba dapat?
Doon na sa atin.
Doon sa ano? Meron tayo sa hotel?
Marami doon. Hindi, doon sa area natin. Ito, 100 ba to? Baka I'm not sure where we can ride the tuk-tuk here, but let's just walk further and check out. Ay, parang dito. Let's check out here. Ay, here, oh. There's a tuk-tuk here, oh. Do you wanna negotiate with the tuk-tuk driver?
No, what?
Negotiate with the tuk-tuk driver? No. The tuk-tuk driver. For M. Pratunam. How much? For
200.
that's very expensive. 100. 120. 150? Okay. Okay.
Pero hinahanda mo na rin yung sarili mo before.
Oo naman, pero mahirap kasi na...
Actually, kami nabasa ko sa Twitter, nakakilabot. Sawadee krap! So we are now here in Pratunam area, and we are going to the Pratunam night market just to conclude our day, our shopping day here in Bangkok. Later on, once we hold our shopping, I'll tell you some tips about shopping here in Bangkok and also in Chiang Mai in general. So let us walk towards the night market, and I'll show you how it looks like here during the night. So this is the street of our hotel, and we're just approaching the night market. Very delikado dito guys sa area kasi traffic sa main street, kaya yung mga tuktok sa mga kotse pasok ng pasok sa mga eskinita. So ang hirap maglakad kasi halos walang pedestrian, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ng todo. So this is the food here in the night market. 100 baht, 40 baht. Octopus 400 baht, 40 baht lang. Yeah, hot pot. There, ito na tayo. Oh, gusto mo pumunta? Oh, let's cross the street. Tingnan mo lang. Tingnan mo lang. Ma'am. Oh, sige, tumingin na kayo dyan. Oh my God, may daga. May daga. May daga. Ito na lang tayo kakain, no? May rice, 10 baht lang. Tapos, 80 yung chicken. Ay, ito, sarap ng prutas, 60 baht. Mix. Oo nga mix. Ay, teka nga, love. How much is this? Nice, Wala po, dress, Is this the night market? This night market? Yeah? Alright. Mango?
Sweet.
Mango 60 baht. Guava 60 baht. Mango sticky rice. What time? 100 baht. Pomelo. Jackfruit for 50 baht. Sarap mag food trip dito, guys. You have chocolates. Ayun yung gusto.
Ito ang 200 baht. Ito ang
Yung tote bag. Tote bag ba yan? O duffel bag, no?
Magkano to? 290. Oh, maganda nga yan. You try money piyagi discount 250.
Ano daw? Pag
Magkano pa?
pag daw dalawa?
Kung dalawa. If you buy two. I do okay. I get 250. I do fine.
Tumagan si Kuya Alan. Walang mabili yung 200. Alright guys. So, bumili ulit ako ng ganitong pants para sa mga office mate ko naman. So, dito 100 baht. Tapos napansin ko, mas maganda yung quality nito kaysa yung nabili natin sa Chiang Mai. Tapos lalo na itong garterized na to, mas maganda. So dito siya sa... Is this night market? Night market? Yeah. Okay, this in here in the night market. So let's grab some food and check out more items to buy because the night is so young. Let us go. So a better way to end the shopping experience in Bangkok is of course to foot massage or body massage. So I had this massage just near our hotel, and it's so good for 200 baht. So this massage place is called Spenza. So they have different branches, and you should try it when you go to Bangkok.